Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be kind of a different one. Someone commented, Mr. Richard Scott, I'm going to put a screenshot right here. He wants me to do a 5-minute makeup challenge, okay? I don't know about you guys, but typically I don't think I ever get my makeup done in 5 minutes. I know this is a challenge that went around years ago, and I think to this day people keep doing it. Now, I looked and searched everywhere for the life of me to try to figure out who created this, and I couldn't find anything. Although I did find some super old videos, so I'm gonna insert screenshots here and I'm gonna link those videos below because they're like 9 years old, 7 years old. So I mean, like, they obviously originated somewhere. I don't know if someone just came across one of those challenges and then it blew up. But that is what we're doing today. And the fun part about this is I've been trying to collab with one of my friends here on YouTube. And she is so good at makeup. She plays with a lot of color, and her Sunday lookbook videos are like my favorite thing to watch ever. So if you haven't yet, because you don't even know who I'm talking about, I'm gonna put her picture up here, right here. Tara Leah Does Makeup is her channel name. I'm obviously gonna have everything linked down below, and I'll have her channel name typed out up here too, so that you can easily access it. And I think I'm able to add it in the cards, so I'll add it right here. But yeah, go ahead and give her a follow, subscribe to her channel. I'll link her Instagram and everything down below as well. She is such a talented, I mean, she's not a makeup artist, I don't think, but she's so talented at what she does, and she creates the most unique looks, and she really knows how to play with color. Like, she's really good at it. I feel like I'm somewhat like okay with color so far, but I don't do as well as she does. And I've been watching her Sunday lookbooks, and what she does is she usually takes a palette and she'll do, you know, looks throughout the week with it, and she'll post that on Sunday. So you'll get like one video with like, I think 6 or 7, I think 7 makeup tutorials. She can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below, or let me know, and then I'll do maybe a pinned comment so that you know. But yeah, I asked her if she wanted to do the 5-minute makeup challenge with me, and she was like, what? I mean, I felt like that when I was asked by Richard Scott to do it too, because 5 minutes is nothing, like nothing. I don't even know. I really don't even know how I'm gonna do this. So for rules, we basically decided we were allowed to have like our makeup picked out beforehand, like all of our products, because 5 minutes is not realistic to go and look for everything. So the whole thing was we were gonna pick out our makeup products from basically our complexion to our eyes and the whole works. And then you have 5 whole minutes to do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll obviously put up the timer on my phone so that you see it and you'll hear it go off when it's been 5 minutes, and this will somehow still be a very long video because my intro is taking forever. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm totally nervous right now and so anxious because, okay, let's see what we can do. See you guys in a bit. Yikes. Okay, I'm setting my timer, guys. 5 minutes. I'm like mentally preparing what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna start. Timer buttons there. 5 minutes. Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm using the Too Faced peach primer. You guys are gonna be like, holy shit, girl, you're so rough with your face. You know what? I don't have very much time, so I'm gonna be rough with my face. I can't even find my proper brushes. We don't have time for color correcting. So I'm just going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin. I'm going to see if I can figure out how to put a live timer on here for you guys. We've already used up 1 minute. Oh my God. Guys, how does anyone do this? I'm going to fail so hard. Here I was thinking I was going to do like eyes and everything. Okay. We're just going to do a little bit of concealer just under the eyes because that's all I really need. No. I don't have time to lose my brush. Oh my God. Okay. Come on, come on. You know what? We don't have time to prime my eyes, so I'm going to commit a crime here and I'm just going to use my concealer. Oh, my shoulder hurts. I think because I'm like stressing out. This is going to crease like no tomorrow. Okay. Bronzer. Bronzer, we're going to use Anastasia because I know it works for me. Oh my God, how do I only have 2.5 minutes left? There is no way, you guys, that one could like blend in 2 minutes. Okay, okay. Did that need blush? Blush I'm using Ofra Samantha March. Is Chiclet. Okay, for highlighter, Kevin Aquan. Oh my God, it's taking me forever to just like even open stuff. I only have 2 minutes left. Under 2 minutes, actually. Oh my God, this is such a fail. My makeup looks like a complete mess. Okay, for eyeshadow, I was going to do something fun, but I'm just going to take this little taupe shade called Royal Highness in the Queen of Hearts palette, and we're just going to slap that all over our lid. And now I just got the wrong shade on my finger, so I'm going to put that on my pants because what the heck? Okay. How much time do I have? I have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Okay, for lips, I'm doing Becca. It's everywhere. Okay, I'm not even going to curl my lashes because we don't have time for that. We're just going to put on some L'Oreal. My lashes are as straight as a board, so this is annoying. I think I could do this in 10 minutes, but 5 minutes is a little bit ridiculous. Brows. Oh my God, did I even get everything? I don't even know. Time's up. Okay, guys, that's all I could accomplish in 5 minutes. I'm going to zoom you guys and show you because, I mean, I think I did a decent look, but Okay, so that is what my 5-minute makeup look looks like. My lashes have like no curl. Nothing. My under eyes look so ridiculous. Oh my god. That was hard, you guys. That was actually really, really hard. Yeah. I was like, when I was pre-planning this in my head, I was like, oh yeah, I can do this in 10 seconds. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. There is like no time. 5 minutes is nothing. Richard Scott's. Richard Scott's? Is that what your name was? Oh my god. I can't even remember. Yeah, Richard Scott's. What the heck, dude? Anyways, I mean, it's not terrible. I feel like I still did a pretty good job. The only thing I think I hate about my makeup is the fact that my eyelashes have no curl. And I did use like a waterproof mascara, so that's, you know, that's kind of annoying, but whatever. I used a waterproof mascara because I thought it was going to curl my lashes. Now I kind of wish I just had another option out, but the products that I pulled out, what I didn't get to use. Okay, so I pulled out my Glamnetic liner, but I didn't even pull out the lashes, so that wasn't going to happen. That wasn't going to happen at all. And then also I didn't use my color corrector, which I had taken out. I didn't use my Sigma, my brow powder, and I didn't use my NYX eye base. Everything else I did use. So I will obviously list everything in the down bar, and I'll probably put it in a pinned comment as well if you're curious as to what products I was using. I think I kind of sped through, so I don't even know if I said everything that I used. Yeah, I'm excited to see what Tara could do because I feel like mine was crap. Anyways, that is all for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, how about we leave a comment down below saying thank you, Richard Scott's. Okay, we can do that. We can leave a comment down below saying thank you, Richard Scott's. Let me know what you think of the look. Let me know if you have a YouTube channel because I challenge you to do this. I want you to do this. Karen, I want you to do this. Heather Coyne, I want you to do this. Britt, Heather Austin, Michelle, all of you guys do this video because I want to watch this. This is fun. Let's bring back the 5-minute makeup challenge because whew, that was a hard one, guys. That was a tough one. Thanks a lot, Richard Scott's. I'm just going to keep saying that. Thanks a lot. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button down below. Sorry, I was just checking to see that I didn't have lipstick on my teeth because you never know. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Thank Richard Scott's for this video because it's all his fault. And what else? That's it. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't, cool. It was nice having you guys here today. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I am going to go have some dinner and then probably film a hair, I can't even talk, a hair video with a pretty, you know, cool hair tool. You'll probably already have seen that video if I decide it's going to go up before this one. So keep on the lookout for that and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and make sure you go check out Tara's channel too, so don't forget that. Again, I'm going to leave it in the description bar and everything so it'll be easily accessible, but do go follow her as well. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.